Hello friends, I'm back with a video for the holidays. Now, the holidays can be joyous and exciting, and they can also be hectic and overwhelming. There's friends, family, good times, memories, bad times, and everywhere in between. And for some reason, they all seem to come at once during this time of year. When I get overwhelmed like that, I like to do some art journaling. So in today's video, I'm going to talk you through some art journaling that I do and my feelings this time of year. It's kind of a different concept for me, so I'd love to hear your feedback on this video. If this is something you'd like to see more of, how I use art journaling to help me in life. I wish you the merriest of holidays. If you're celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas, and any holidays that you celebrate. And if you don't, I just wish you a great day. So let's get started. Christmas time can be one of the most wonderful times of the year, as the song goes, but it can also be a time of sadness, increased stress, and feeling a bit overwhelmed. As we get older, I think some of us tend to reflect more on our lives, especially around the holidays, because we have so many memories, expectations, and family dynamics that rise to the surface during this time. Personally, I find it challenging as it stirs up memories of friends that have passed away, whom I miss dearly, of failed friendships and relationships, and of my lung cancer diagnosis. I have found a few strategies to help me through this time, and creating art is one of them. Practicing art allows me to think about colors, the feel of the paint, combinations of shapes, and most recently, Christmas time. While emotions can run high at this time, thinking about simple, recognizable images like pine boughs, gingerbread cookies, snowflakes, and greenery helps keep me grounded. I translate that into using my hands to place paint on a page, to build layers, and to think about placing those same images. I focus my attention on an art journal page, on creating something. I aim for intention, not perfection. My lines may be wonky, images a bit clumsy, and colors can be a bit bold. But I am looking to combine the positive thoughts of the season with creating art. My main goal is to have a pleasant, unhurried session. The end result will be measured by if I feel immersed in the project. Art journaling is one strategy that I use during this hectic time of year to work on being positive and content, because that's what makes me happy. I add creating unhurried, immersive art sessions into my routine. This is how I look after myself. I take the time to do something that I enjoy, and this distracts me and gives me the pause in my day that I need and allows me to tackle the rest of my responsibilities. I also try to move every day. This may mean going for a walk, playing tennis, working out, or stretching. I find movement to be an outlet for frustration and angst. I make it a point to do a kind thing for someone each day, whether it be holding a door open, delivering a package to my neighbor, reaching on the top shelf for an item for someone at the grocery store who can't reach themselves, or giving to a food drive. I find that this sense of assistance that I give boosts my mood and allows me to feel that I am contributing something positive to others. And the last intentional act that I do to stay content during the holidays is to be grateful. I maintain a list in my December journal of things that I appreciate, and I even say out loud, "I'm grateful to be your tennis partner," or "I'm grateful for your help in solving my issue, thank you." These deliberate gestures reinforce my contentment and show me how fortunate I am. By embracing gratitude, prioritizing self-care, and staying active through consistent movement, I give myself the chance to experience the holidays with greater ease. Rather than being swept up in the season's pressures, I can anchor myself in habits that nurture both mind and body. These simple practices create space for calm, clarity, and genuine joy, reminding me that the most meaningful part of the holidays isn't perfection, but the peace we cultivate within ourselves. Well, that's my art journaling during the Christmas season and how I stay above water. Tell me some of your techniques, and if you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Wishing you the best in the new year.